पीपल्स पार्टी की नायब सदर शेरी रहमान ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान ने मौजूदा सूरत हाल में गैर मामूली सिफारती महारत का मुजाहरा किया। पाकिस्तान ईरान और अमेरिका के दरमियान एतमाद का जरिया बन गया। पाकिस्तान जंग के खतरात कम करने में अहम किरदार अदा कर रहा है। अमेरिकी टीवी चैनल ब्लूमबर्ग को इंटरव्यू में शेरी रहमान ने कहा कि जंगबंदी में तोसी के लिए संजीदा मुज़ाकरात नागुज़ीर हैं।
I think that Pakistan is the appropriate mediator simply because while the two combatants and at this point adversaries have stopped talking and paused in several contexts and several times, it's been up and down. It's quite a roller coaster. But what has been consistent from all sides is their trust in Pakistan. So I think that's been a very clear indicator of Pakistan's diplomatic capital in both centers of power, Iran as well as obviously the United States. And as you know, President Trump has stressed his interest and commitment in Pakistan and repeatedly been reposing personal as well as national trust in Pakistan.